Imagine living so high above the world, it feels like you're floating in your own kingdom. These are the 19 most stunning billionaire penthouses, homes that seem less like real estate and more like science fiction. From underwater glass floors to rooftop forests, these ultra-rare residences break every rule of traditional design. Get ready to discover spaces you won't believe actually exist. The Floating Sky Suite, New York, atop Manhattan's tallest luxury tower, this $250 million penthouse gives 360-degree views of the skyline. It features a hovering glass bedroom suspended over the city, completely transparent from floor to ceiling, the Horizon Mansion, Dubai, rising over the Persian Gulf. This 90th floor penthouse includes a rotating living room, gold-plated elevator, and a private spa that mimics desert oases, the Blue Eye, Singapore, with walls made entirely of sapphire-tinted glass. This penthouse overlooks Marina Bay and has a waterfall staircase and floating rooftop cinema. Alpine Dream Loft, Switzerland, wrapped in timber. This mountaintop sanctuary combines ski-in access with panoramic views of the Alps and a sunken fire lounge inside a glass igloo, the Sky Lagoon. Tokyo. This $180 million penthouse has an indoor koi pond, zen garden, and a hot spring-style bath perched against the skyline, the Starship Suite, Los Angeles, designed to feel like a luxury spacecraft. This LA penthouse has anti-gravity pods, voice-activated glass panels, and a private observatory dome, Jungle Sky Nest, Rio de Janeiro, located above a rainforest canopy. This penthouse features a suspended infinity pool and floors made of polished river stone, the Ice Crystal, Norway, sculpted from glass and Arctic stone. This penthouse reflects the northern lights, with thermal walls, a built-in ice sauna, and a sky deck made for aurora viewing. The Pyramid View, Cairo, only one of its kind. This Cairo penthouse frames the Great Pyramids with perfect precision from every room. Ancien.